Your moment is now. Navigating the NAR changes for VA buyers. Hey there, I'm Julie Sabby, dedicated realtor with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, right here in the heart of Minnesota. If you've served our country, first off, a huge thank you. Now it's my turn to serve you in the quest for your dream home. Have you caught wind of the new NAR ruling? There's been a bit of a shakeup coming, especially for VA buyers. And while the details are still being ironed out, one thing's crystal clear. The real estate world is changing. Guess what? Change sparks opportunity, especially when you're prepared. Uncertainty? Sure, it's there, but opportunity, it's knocking even louder. As a 5-star rated real estate agent who works with busy professionals like yourself, I'm no stranger to navigating challenges. I bring a blend of digital marketing savvy and negotiation skills to the table, ensuring you don't just find a house, but you land the home of your dreams. And with the upcoming changes, my role becomes even more crucial in securing that victory for you. So here's my call to each of you, our nation's heroes. Let's not wait to see how the dust settles. The time to find and secure your dream home is now, before these new regulations come into play. With me by your side, you'll have an advocate who's already a step ahead, ensuring that VA buyer representation remains strong, dedicated, and effective in this new environment. I understand the challenges of balancing a busy professional life with the search of a home. That's why I specialize in coordinating activities, keeping timelines on track, and advocating fiercely for your best interests. Whether you're selling to move up or buy the first home, I'm here to make the process seamless, strategic, and successful. Don't let the unknown hold you back. Reach out to me, Julie Sabby, today. Let's discuss how we can leverage these challenges to your advantage. Sure, you're settled in your dream home before you know it. Whether it's weekdays or weekends, mornings or afternoons, I'm here to work around your schedule and ensure you're settled in your dream home before you know it, making your dream home a reality. With Vikings Homes and eXp Realty, you're getting more than a realtor. You're gaining a partner in your home buying journey.